Hello YouTubers, I'm Justin and today on Dashandrun where we're going to be looking at this. Now this is a compact charging dock for the Quest 3 controllers, and this will allow you to charge as well as including batteries for these Quest 3 controllers, because at the moment you have to put AA batteries in. So I thought I'd get this in, do an unboxing and see if this is something worth getting for other people who have got the Quest 3. So anyway, let's go and have a look what we've got in the box and we'll go from there. So the first thing out of the box is this here, which is a bit of paperwork which will give you some information about the actual charging dock, and that's the first thing that came out this box. Next is one of two cables that they give you. Now this is actually for the charging dock, and it's a reasonable length cable, and of course it's a USB-C cable, so that's included in the box as well. Also comes with this other cable which is for charging the headset, and this is also a USB-C cable, so they give you another charging cable for your headset too, which is also great. Next is two lithium batteries. Now these are designed to replace the AA batteries that you put in your controller at the moment, and they're nicely formatted into a sort of white format, which is nice. Now they fit very snugly on the controllers, which is really good. Now the idea of these is also that they will give a more precise reading of how much charge is left in your controllers when you're using them. So it's good to have this as an option, as an upgrade over just standard AA batteries. And they're also included in the box. And finally we've got the actual charging dock itself, and as you can see it's designed to hold the controllers in it, and it seems to be one that does it wireless, which is pretty good. So the controllers just sit in here and it will charge the controllers. Now if you turn it on to the back, you can see that it's got markings for two different things. One is for the charging cable and the other one is to use a cable to charge your Quest headset up as well at the same time, which I think is quite a nice feature to have. So that's everything in the box. So next let me get my controllers and just show you how that actually sits in here and how it looks when it's charging up. Okay, so I've got one of the Quest 3 controllers, and at the moment, if I open it up, you'll see that it's only got a AA battery in it. So if we get that AA battery out, and then we put in one of these newer batteries, like so. Now they sort of fit in a way that sort of slides in like that, and it sort of locks into place. And then we'll put the cover on like so. So now the battery is in place. So next what we'll do is we'll get the charging dock, and I've got my charging dock here and I've already done one of them. So if we just put the two controllers down like so, and then we'll plug that in and see what it does when it starts charging up the controllers. So I'll just get that set up now. So I've plugged it in and it's now charging the two controllers. Now it obviously is going to take a little time to charge them up, but it's a great idea to have this for charging your controllers instead of having to keep replacing AA batteries. I also like the fact that they've included this extra cable which you can run out and charge your headset at the same time and put it over the top of it, and I think that's a nice extra feature. So if you're looking for a battery solution for your controllers for the Quest 3, this is definitely worth getting, and I think it will save a lot of time and a lot of money not having to keep buy AA batteries that tend to run out very quickly. So overall, I think this is a great option to get, and I can definitely recommend it. Anyway, I'm Justin, and as always, thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel.